Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking the essentials. Define the service you'll sell, who pays for it, and how you charge. Once done, register a domain and set hosting so you own your channel. Make a business email for trust. Make 3 clear offerings and list required tools and basic legal needs like invoices and terms. This fast setup gets you from idea to a publishable page, so you can begin testing demand rather than planning forever. Next, build the customer path. Design concise service pages with clear pricing tiers and a one-page checkout so visitors convert fast. Then automate booking and payments. Connect a calendar, Stripe or PayPal, and automatic receipts. This prevents manual follow-up. Once automated, create a tight onboarding sequence. Intake form, welcome email, expectations, and delivery timeline. Make templates for common messages. That saves hours and ensures consistent quality. These steps let you scale without. Finish by thoroughly testing the entire flow. Sign up, pay, receive confirmation, and get the service delivered. Once done, collect first customer feedback and update your offering. Make a simple KPI dashboard to track conversions and churn. If things go wrong, debug systematically. Check payment webhooks and logs, verify DNS and hosting, and clear caches. Make sure to keep communication templates ready so clients see transparency while you fix issues. Quick responses preserve trust and referrals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.